How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, west central Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm has downtown or over Terryville Point. Miles per hour. Hazard. Radar indicated. The network trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville downtown, Greenville east side, West Greenville, Malden, Taylors, Simpsonville, Berea, Five Forks, Welcome and Travelers Rest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or or by posting on our Facebook page or Twitter #MWCCS. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Greenville and Spartanburg.
All right.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Jackson County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Jackson County in the Piedmont. 15 miles per hour. 20 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact degrees in power lines. Locations happening York, Kroger, Blacksburg, Grover, Shaw, Hickory Grove, Kills Mountain State Park, Browns and Cherokee Falls. For your prediction, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 50 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. 16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Gaffney, or over 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland and Jackson, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee and York. Your message is described. Heard. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm service in Greenville. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free answer 1. In upstate South Carolina, northeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Location road to 16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles east of Gaffney, or over Source, radar indicated. and power lines. Locations intended include York, Clover, Blacksburg, Grover, Shallon, Hickory Grove, Smyrna, Kings Mountain State Park, Crowders, and Cherokee Falls. For your please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using
Why didn't you go off?
WSG. Describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.
That's why you didn't go off. Must be done 100.
North Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina. Southeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina. Southern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina until 3:15 p.m. Eastern. 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located miles east of Greenville downtown. Reedville, moving per hour. 60 miles per hour. Reedville, Moore, Cross State Park.
Okay, yeah, that's WTR, man.
800. Specific location. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m.
Alright. That was Greenville, Lawrence, and Spartanburg. I'm gonna go ahead and stop these lights from flashing here.
The National Weather Service. South Carolina County in At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near your National Weather 20 miles per hour. Eastern Chester County in upstate South Carolina. York County. York, moving east at 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Nighttime, a severe thunderstorm was located. Finally, the National Weather Service a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, and York.
Ability of
Describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, and York. Thunderstorm County in upstate South Carolina, Northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm in National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, Northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles over the state park, moving at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 6 miles per
Hail, location impacted includes Union, Tackle, Monarch, Buffalo, Julesville, Cross State Park, Pauline, Adamsburg, Santic, and Lockhart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWS. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Spartanburg, and Union. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm southeast of Fort near Mooresboro, moving southeast at 50.
SVR for Greenville and Lawrence. Son of a... Ah.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 miles east of Anderson, or 8 miles east of Williamston, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Gray Court, Fort Shoals, Princeton, Hickory Tavern, Fountain Inn, and Lawrence. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Greenville, and Lawrence.
Alright, that was my first ever Columbia warning, and I'm stepping on something. Freaking first Columbia warning ever. I've been long overdue for this.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Lancaster. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union County and 15 miles per hour. 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Radar at 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a thunderstorm warning for thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Union, North Carolina.
Whoa!
Mineral Springs, Sturdivant, Shores, Trinity, Marshall, Poinsett, and Monroe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds.
Freaking 74-210 still on, or 250 rather. God, I freaking saw that flash out of the corner of my eye. I wonder if my camera got that. Were they getting struck by? Oh yeah, they were. They were struck by. They were struck by lightning. Damn, that would explain why the signal just faded out instantly. Sumter.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shire Base, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, South Sumter, Shire Base, Mulberry, Oakland, Sumter County Airport, Millwood, King Savannah, Oswego, Dalville, Lakewood, Wedgewood, East Sumter, Cherryvale, Statesburg, and Privateer. The forecast for Columbia and surrounding areas. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Alright, that was probably my first WXJ20 alert I've ever gotten. Good.